Welcome to another troubleshooting video on our channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many beginners encounter when setting up containers in Portainer. The issue at hand is getting a JDownloader instance up and running, but facing difficulties in establishing a connection to it. The provided script seems to be correctly configured, but the culprit lies in the line JDownloader_headless. One, which actually disables the browser UI. By simply removing this line from the script, deploying it again, and waiting a few moments for everything to settle, the JDownloader instance became accessible through the browser. In summary, the key solution to the problem of not being able to connect to the running JDownloader instance was to remove JDownloader_headless. One from the script. By making this small adjustment, the container was up and running without any issues, allowing access via the browser on the specified port. I hope this video helps shed some light on troubleshooting container connectivity within Portainer. Remember, small configuration changes can make a big difference in the world of container orchestration. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy containerizing